The Brainbox Arduino is a cheap but complete microcontroller hardware platform that can be used to make your ideas come to life. Have a look at the hardware training video to get an impression of its possibilities. This video will lead you through the extensive free courseware and the free available example programs. Let's start with a problem. You want to develop a gadget that makes a small computer cooling fan start turning when a measured temperature rises above a certain point. For this, the user will need a temperature sensor and a small cooling fan. A sensor is always an input, and in our case the sensor is analog, so this diagram tells me I need to search under analog inputs. All sensors are divided into digital and analog. Users have the choice between 3 temperature sensors. Let's go for the 10-cent MCP9700. This document provides users with enough info to know how the sensor works, how to buy it, and how to connect the sensor to the Brainbox Arduino. Now that the sensor is connected, we need to program the microcontroller to read the measured value of this sensor. Users can find demo programs in several popular programming languages and can choose the language that fits them best. Of course, we have provided example programs using Arduino IDE that make use of the typical Arduino pin names and libraries. But we will also provide other demo programs, also using Arduino IDE, but now making use of the real pin names and real Atmega registers, to get a bit closer to real microcontroller programming. Flowcode is not free, but from a didactical point of view, it is the most powerful tool that I know of to train the embedded engineers of the future. So Flowcode example files are also provided. AVR Studio is the environment that professionals use to program microcontrollers in C. And also these example programs will be made available for your inspiration. We have also modified the Brainbox Arduino to make it programmable with Scratch, which makes it possible to already start driving motors or measuring with sensors at ages from 10 plus. Please have a go with it and see how easy it can be. Back to our project now. The fan is a small DC motor. In our diagram we see that this is an output. It is not a servo motor and the current exceeds 20 milliamps, but will stay smaller than 600 milliamps. We just want to switch the fan on or off, so no speed control is needed. I need to search under output 600. As you can see here, all actuators are divided by their current consumption. Just look at the provided lesson material and you will be able to connect LEDs, DC motors, stepper motors, servo motors, solenoids or even larger actuators to the Brainbox. The lesson output 600 DC motor provides me with enough knowledge to connect the fan to the Brainbox Arduino. And again, custom example programs are provided in all available programming languages to get the microcontroller programmed to drive this DC motor. All the lesson material is STEM approved. STEM is short for science, technology, engineering and mathematics. And the STEM movement's main goal is to get more people interested in technology and to have more children choose for courses and jobs in technology and science. To achieve this, we need to stimulate the creativity and problem-solving capabilities of young people. You will see that the courseware and demo programs only provide the necessary info to get that specific component up and running, but it will never provide a full solution. Users of the Brainbox Arduino will need to combine their creativity and problem-solving talents with the provided courseware to make their inventions come to life. And that is exactly what users will need to do to make the fan turn when the temperature rises above a certain point. Projects can start at a very basic level, but as users gain experience, they can grow into multi-sensor and multi-actuator systems like buggies and robots. All schematics and pinout diagrams are provided in high resolution. The power options are well documented. All the courseware and all the demo programs are entirely free to use, and free support will be provided by the actual developer of all this material. The Brainbox Arduino is shipped pre-soldered and tested and with the Arduino Leonardo bootloaders already loaded. Order it now and make use of all the available courseware and software examples to make your ideas come to life.